What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this brief video, I'm gonna just kind of go over what really is like a sore thumb to me, like what really sticks out when people are really trying to market their business, and it applies really to any business. Like if you're selling stuff online, or if you're trying to sell stuff online, if you're trying to get exposure online, there's one thing building a brand, and then there's another thing when you're actually trying to market something, when you're actually in the business of sales and transactions actually have to happen. That's another thing, using the internet for both, but they're two different objectives. In this case, I'm talking about businesses that actually need lead capture, that actually operate off of a sell, someone actually making a sell, or someone actually opting in and becoming a lead for that business. Every single business is in business to make sells or capture leads, bottom line. And so to be doing it on the internet, especially when it comes down to just the basics, it comes down to knowing how to capture your audience the right way, man. Knowing how to capture the lead, which will eventually lead to capturing the sell, or vice versa. However, whatever type of business you guys are building. But in this case, man, I wanted to refer to a real estate agent. Like, this is what I see like daily. I see this stuff daily. Shout out to real estate services. But nothing against her, nothing against real estate agents, but just most businesses in general are not really paying attention to what they put out online. Like, we share links where, again, in this case, she's a real estate agent, obviously. So I know for a fact she lives and dies off of leads. Like, a lead has to come in first in order for her to ever sell a piece of property, or for her to ever help someone buy property, in her case being specifically a real estate agent. She needs leads. Her business will live and die off of lead capture, bottom line. So in this case, man, when I see these types of posts, it really kind of it strikes a chord in me where I just want to help. Like, I just want to freaking fix the little issue. I want to patch the hole that I know that this person for sure has. The hole that she has in her bucket, trying to capture leads, but wondering why she's probably not. Wondering why this post right here is most likely not going to net her what she's looking to do. Now, what is she promoting? I'm hosting an open house Sunday from 2 to 5 in Britain. Come see me and I'll buy you a coffee. Okay, so this is a specific business owner in North Glen, Colorado, right? Now, I'm following her. I like her page. Shout out to Real Estate Services. I love this company. But again, I'm just poking hole. I'm just exposing the hole that's already poked. And that's why these, most businesses and small business owners in general don't capture leads, man, because they're doing it the wrong way. They're sending traffic, whether it's organic traffic or even paid traffic. But I see it a lot both ways. But in this case, it's organic. This is not an ad. This is just some random listing, an open house that she is promoting, that she put on her business page. And so when I click on it, here's the number one problem. Amazing post, amazing system that is in place right here with the content, right, and the value of what I'm about to show you. This link is taking me to an amazing web page. This is a virtual tour of the property. Now, how awesome is this, dude? Like, this is super, super cool. But here's the problem from the marketing standpoint, is that you're posting this, you're promoting this, and in this case, this is a local business owner. So, like, if you were, let's say, for example, you were a local restaurant and you have happy hour from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. Come by and get your drink specials and get your appetizers half off. And you're in San Diego and you're just posting it organically when 99% of your followers do not live in San Diego, and you're actually betting on that doing something for your business. You're actually hoping that would net you something, when it's not. Because most people that are following you on social media, most people that are following us, look at you guys that are watching my YouTube channel, that are subscribed to my YouTube channel, 99% of you guys do not live in San Diego. I live in San Diego. 99% of your followers do not live in your hometown. So when it comes to a local business, this absolutely has to be a Facebook ad. Let's start there. This has to be a Facebook ad, okay? This would be an amazing Facebook ad if you were targeting only that location. It would be worth the 50 bucks. Like, it would totally be worth it, okay? Rather than just posting organically and hoping this does something, right? It's not going to do much. You got to run an ad. There has to be a paid ad for sure, whether it's a Facebook ad or an Instagram ad, okay? But here's the problem. I click on it. Let's say she does run an ad. That's number one. You have to run an ad for this no matter what. Number two, when I click on it, you're sending me to this beautiful, beautiful virtual tour where there's absolutely nowhere to capture my information. So you're sending me here, which is super, super cool and super generous of you, because you're not asking for anything, not anything, not a name and email or a name and phone number that you absolutely need, right? You don't want to just be sending me here without capturing. Look at all this beautiful content. This is amazing. So here's what I advise you to do. Rather than taking me straight from this link, straight from this post, I'm clicking on it, and rather than taking me straight to this link where there's just open exposure and there's no way to capture the lead, here's what you want to do first. You want to send me straight to this one single landing page. You want to send me here first, okay? Look, nothing fancy, beautiful image actually. It is the listing, it is the property for sale. Beautiful image of the property for sale in the background. Get instant access to the price and photos of this property. Homes in this market move extremely fast. Schedule your appointment before the bidding war begins. A few bullet points, name, email, show me the virtual tour. When I click on that red button, you've captured my information. Now I get to see the goodies. Now I get to see this amazing virtual tour. Okay? That little tweak, you guys, is what would bring in tons and tons and tons of leads for your local business. And in this case, for her local real estate business. This is what everyone's doing, man, and no one's capturing leads. Number one, you have to run a Facebook ad directly to that local area. Okay, you can post it here on your business page. You can share it to your personal, but the ROI is going to come when we invest a few bucks into running an ad directly to this local area. Number one. Number two, you absolutely have to take me to a landing page. Bottom line, you have to take me to a landing page. This is how you capture the lead. This is what makes it ROI positive for you to even spend the money on an ad, right? You need something in return. That's why you cannot send me. Don't run an ad for sure and then send me to something like this right away. And not even ask for my name and email, or not even ask for my basic information. This is a beautiful freaking property, right? She needs to be running paid ads. Pour it on, invest a few hundred and promote this through a Facebook ad. And what I would suggest is, rather than this image, if you can get out to the property and actually do a selfie style video and then link the learn more button down here, right? Run that traffic ad, not just video view ad, run that, optimize it for traffic under the traffic objective. That's what you're looking to do it under. Run it under that traffic objective. Show me a selfie video of you going over the property and talking about the local community and just freaking selling the shit out of it, right? Really, really bringing value and describing this property in a selfie video with you standing in front of it, right? And then I click on learn more, and then you take me here and you capture my lead, and then I click on the red button, and come here. And then it's through your email autoresponder where you're going to be able to leverage automated emails, a handful of emails that go out over the next few days, getting me to schedule an appointment. Okay, so there's going to be 3 links in the description. There's going to be 3 links. Number one is going to be on the actual landing page. Like, how in the heck do we just design? How do we build these basic landing pages for a listing, for an open house, for any type of buyer or seller lead? How do we create these simple landing pages? You're going to see that link in the description. And then what you're going to see is the email autoresponder. Once we capture the lead, right? Once we capture the lead, they click on the red one, they're going to go to this page right away. But as we capture the lead, we want to now be able to email them to get them to either call us or to get them to schedule an appointment with us. Okay, and that's all done through your Kartra calendar. So I'm gonna link a link for the calendar. I want you to take a look at it. I'm gonna link a link for the email autoresponder, okay? Because you got to be able to email that lead where you're able to link your calendar, and they can have easy accessibility to scheduling an appointment. After I opt in today, after that lead gives up their name and email by coming to this page today, you want to be able to email me right away. And then also you want to be able to email me tomorrow, or you want to maybe email me the next day if I haven't scheduled an appointment yet. Maybe follow up with me in just a quick email. Hello, hey, just wanted to see what your schedule was. I have a few slots available. Click the link below to schedule your appointment. I'd love to talk to you. Can't wait to talk to you, blah, blah, blah. You're saying all this in a handful of emails that go out over the next few days via your email autoresponder. So I'll link that down in the description. Take a look at that, and then take a look at the landing pages. So you're going to see 3 links right below in the description. This is what it's all about, man, is running paid traffic, running paid ads to that local area, driving them to a landing page, and then putting them on an email autoresponder, which is also your CRM, and being able to leverage automated emails to get people to schedule appointments. And so starts here, man. It starts by posting it on this business page, running a Facebook ad, and staying consistent with running Facebook ads, Instagram ads. Stay consistent with running an ad every day. Close your deals, close your next escrow, for example, and take a portion of that and allocate it for Facebook advertising. I'm telling you, man, it's a big deal. So I wrote a book about all this. You'll see that link in the description as well. So look for the 4 links. The landing pages, the email autoresponder, the calendar, and then also my book that I wrote about all this. So links are in the description. I will see you guys in the next video. Invest in your business, and you will see an ROI. I'll see you guys soon.